So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. You want to scroll down until you find print spooler. You're going to double click on it. Change startup type to disabled and then click on stop. Which will then make the service status stopped and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on this PC. And then you want to find a drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. Now you're going to double click on it. And now you're going to click on Windows. And now you want to scroll down until you find System32. Here it is. You're going to double click on System32. And now you want to scroll down again until you find spool. I'm going to scroll down. Here it is. We have spool right here. You're going to double click on this folder. And now you're going to click on printers. Continue. You want to delete everything in this folder. So just highlight over everything and then delete it. And now for the last step, you're going to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service and then click on P on your keyboard. You're going to scroll down until you find print spooler. You're going to double click on it. Startup type, automatic. Click on OK. Double click on it again and then click on start. Which will then make the service status running and then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer and then you should be good to go.